Hey y'all, we are out here today at Dollywood for their summer celebration. They have lots of new shows, new foods to try, new photo ops for your family and friends to take advantage of. So come on along, we'll check those out. Don't miss out on all the photo spots that Dollywood has set up for their summer celebration. They are all roadside attractions, and look y'all, this is the largest bean can. Their summer celebration is sponsored by Bush's Beans, so anyway, pretty cool photo spot right here. One of the summer celebration activities, or shall we say roadside attractions, be sure to join the parachute play party. The kids were over there, kids and adults, hey, were over there having lots of fun a while ago. And it is right here where you exit the train. And basically where the Heart Song Theater is, they'll have certain times that they have the parachutes going on. Over near Miss Lillian's Smokehouse, we have the 3 Little Pig sandwich, the pork belly on a stick, and the southern fried corn. I think we're gonna try the southern fried corn and the 3 Little Pig sandwich. We did pick up our tasting pass for the summer celebration. This came out to be like $31, I think it was. It does have 5 tastings on it. You do save a little money on this compared to buying single. We are gonna try the 3 Little Pigs sandwich. This is a summer sandwich with pork loin, pulled pork shoulder, and smoked sausage, all covered with a tangy Memphis style barbecue sauce and coleslaw on the top. And this right here is the southern fried corn. It's corn on the cob battered with buttermilk and Cajun inspired breading, then fried to perfection. This corn actually also comes with a ranch dipping sauce. I'm not quite sure how you dip that other than to just pour it on there, so I think I'll try it with a little bit of ranch on it maybe. And somebody mentioned that the corn actually, the breading fell off of the corn, so we'll see if it does. I don't know, my ranch is running off, but the breading did stick. So there's a little inside shot of it. Pretty good. It just basically tastes like a fried maybe cornbread on the outside of corn. It's pretty good. All right, let's try this messy sandwich. It's hot. It's not hot. There's nothing wrong with the taste of this sandwich. It actually tastes pretty good, doesn't it? I'm talking to Timmy. He's not on camera, but it's cold, isn't it? I don't know whether, I mean, the meat is not warm, so I don't know whether it's been sitting up there and nobody's tried it. The barbecue's good on it. The pork's really good, isn't it? And it does have some sausages on it too. It's good, and I would suggest it, but it's just not hot, so I don't know how long it's been sitting up on the, they got them on burners up there though, don't they? Yeah. So it's good, but it's a cold sandwich.
Just out in the back, they do that. It's the Just Got the Back Chicken Show at Dollywood. Oh, we're just out the back. We ain't gonna pout, 'cause we have so much fun today. When we're out the back going buck, 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 bow. Out and about at Dollywood today. With little Miss Lillian, though I'm a little silly. Oh, how we love just the buck, 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 buck. Great to have you back with us, honey. We love you up there.
Love y'all too.
Bye-bye, honey.
Look who I found, y'all.
Hey, I'm here again.
It is Crazy Pop. And we found him over here at the Gazillion Bubble Show.
Like a big kid, gotta find the bubbles.
We couldn't record inside, but be sure and check it out. It's another thing that's a great little thing for the summer celebration. This is in the Celebrity Theater, and they wouldn't let us record inside, but here's the show times that they had for today. I'm not sure. Be sure to check the schedule to see if they change daily, but that was a really awesome show. What I do believe we are gonna try is the fried fish that's always great here at their food festivals, which it's actually offered pretty much all season here. And they have the Mountain Berry Lemonade, but we're definitely getting some fried fish and hush puppies. All right, y'all, we got the fish and hush puppies at the marketplace area, and there's a bee on me. Go away, bee. But this looks delicious. It usually is, so I hope it's as good as always. Got a little bit of tartar sauce to try with them. And it's hot because they cook it fresh right up there while you're waiting usually. Let's tap with it. As always. And they usually offer this here at the marketplace, even without basically their seasonal special events. But the fish here is always outstanding. And I almost forgot to try hush puppy. They're hot too, aren't they? Now our food we had up at the next to Miss Lillian's a while ago was not hot, but this is good and fresh. Hush puppies are really good too. Have you tried the fish, or is that your first bite?
Yeah, first one.
We're gonna get Timmy's review. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
About like Tyler, it's good. I'm gonna do another food taste review because Timmy just fooled me in our refillable drinks. I took a couple big gulps too, but we've been getting Mellow Yellow all day. He found a stand that had actually had the root beer. He put root beer in there. Thumbs down to the root beer. One of the new shows here is the Hydro Jive Junction. It's a really cute show out here. There's the show times for today, but be sure to check the schedule. But it's out here at this little fire hydrant in front of the Pines Theater and at Red's.
Hey Ricky, you're always working. It's summer, we gotta go have some fun.
No, I have to do my job. Okay. Well, what are we doing? Are we surfing? What's happening right now? Okay. The waves. Oh yeah. We're not close. That's right. Here you are. Over me? What? How many more people in here? Hey, I'm gonna harass more people. Hey, what are you doing? Not in the fire hydrant, my friend. Come on, you got this. With me, let's do this.
Alright, it's coming. I'll get that beach ball back.
No.
Alright, in the meantime, that might work.
No. I think if I kick this beach ball,
You can try hitting it as hard as you can.
at the same time. Let's do this, guys. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Bam!
They also have some food trucks down here in the Imagination Station area. And I believe there's one more around the corner over there. But those are some food trucks to be able to take advantage of. They now have the kite sky in place of the umbrella sky that they have during flower and food. So be sure and check this one out too. And of course, you absolutely cannot miss the photo op here at the front gate at the Dollywood sign. We have yet another roadside attraction here, the water hose fountain. This is the water hose fountain that's here right in front of the marketplace. But fun place for the kids to cool off in the hot weather. Be sure to bring some extra clothes for them. And we have another show over here that we actually just missed, but it is Liquid Beats. And where I mentioned that you needed some more clothes for the kids, down at the water noodles at the marketplace area. If you thought you needed that, then you definitely need some clothes for this. Yeah, they have a foam pit. It is up here in the sitting area. I don't know why that one over there is closed. One of them is supposed to be for kids and one's supposed to be for adults, but anyway, yeah, Dawn won't be getting in the foam pit. For our dinner, we were pleasantly surprised to find out that Granny Ogle's was open, and we both, Timmy's already cutting into his over there, but we both got the chicken pot pie and a side of green beans and cornbread. Hey y'all, there's cornhole if you want to come play cornhole up here by Blazing Fury. And don't forget the roadside attraction, the noodle takeover up here as well. For our fourth tasting, we decided to get something sweet, so we got the Oreo cookie waffle. So I wanted to put a clip in here real quick because I forgot when we were leaving Granny Ogle's to tell about the food. Timmy and I both had the chicken pot pie, and we had a side of green beans with cornbread. I had never eaten there before. As many times as I've been to Dollywood, of course Granny Ogle's has been closed for the last couple years, but everything was really good. No complaints at all about Granny Ogle's chicken pot pie. Way to go. Up here at Wildwood Grove, they have the roadside attraction that is Sweet Summer Nights. Okay, so tonight they will have a dance party here, along with, this is about the best viewing area you have for the drone show and the fireworks. Also be sure to come up here to the Wildwood Grove area and check out these little spinny tops that they have here. Last and fifth tasting on our card, we got a Fanta float. It's up at the sweet shop there right behind Till and Harvest up in Wildwood Grove. I normally wouldn't suggest getting drinks with this card just because money wise you end up better getting food, but it was the end of the evening. We're up here getting ready to watch the, oops, we're dripping. Getting ready to watch the dance show and the fireworks, so it was our last option, so we'll try it out. I'm a mess. Okay, hold on. It's like a dreamsicle. You like dreamsicles? Well, that is just about it for our day here at Dollywood at the summer celebration. I'm going to go ahead and close out my video because the only thing that's left is the Sweet Summer Nights, the dance party up here at Wildwood Grove, the fireworks, and the drone show, and that's what we're waiting on. And I figure after that we will, so stay tuned for that. I figured after that we will be heading out of the park, so I would forget to do a closing. I won't say that I've shown you everything by any means, but I think I've shown you some of the shows, some of the food, and some of the photo ops that they have here at Dollywood for the summer. So be sure to come out and enjoy them if you can. Give us a big thumbs up on the video if you enjoyed the video. Follow us also on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. We share some things on there that we don't necessarily get on the YouTube video, some little short clips and some photos. So be sure to follow us there. If you want more Dollywood, be sure to check out this video and this video. Enjoy. Thanks.